What is up, guys? It is the Marvel Maker. Today I will be showing you the Scepter from Fortnite. This took me 2 weeks to make because I have regions, so it's really hard to make stuff and study at the same time. So the ball. Okay, as you can see, the Scepter from far distance. Look, I even got the tip the right way in the bottom. See? It took a long time to perfect it, but this is my official version of it because I took like about 4 different tries. I had to take it, put back, take it apart, this and this and that. Compared to my Wolverine's cost, this only took maximum an hour to do both of them. But oh, by the way, I am remaking the Infinity Gauntlet so it could be bigger because my first tries are never better. After when I do two, like, first is always the worst, second is the best. That's how it goes. I do not know why. So you guys see, look, let's do a quick review. The ball here I did not make. I just took a random basketball, like those little tiny basketball hoops that you can hang up on your door and just swish inside with it. I took that and I put it here. I covered it up because how am I supposed to make a ball out of cardboard, honestly? So this is all fully designed. As you can see, I left some cardboard out there. I didn't get to close it up. See, cardboard pieces. Not the big piece here, you guys can see here. Wait. Actually, they're just at the tips. The tips were always falling off and scratching it off. But this will not be my giveaway. This took a long time. Honestly, this piece of junk took a long time. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below what else I should make, because this, my friend, comment down below, make the Scepter. So I am making. And I think I'm gonna make the Ice King suit, like just for cosplay. Or am I bringing it to Comic-Con and wear it? I don't know. But in my next video, you will see Wolverine. After that, you might start seeing the Ice King parts. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and hit the like button. The Marvel Maker and the Fortnite Scepter is out.